morning. All right, you should have 3 magazines loaded, 6, 6, and 6. Okay, administrative load magazine in. All right, bring your weapon to inspection, load one in and reholster. And you guys, when you come out, practice pushing out and walking that elbow. Put that front sight right on the cue. Right. 2-shot burst in 5 seconds on the whistle. You guys are doing better. We got better grouping, okay? Locking those elbows up. And reload. Hot range, reload. Reload quickly, helps you on your stage here. That's good, Lisa. Okay, next stage is going to be out of the low. Ready? Okay. Step up here, airbase. Here you go. Airbase in the same line for safety. All right, bring your weapon to the inspection stage up to low ready. Got a good grip, locking those elbows. Locking, good grip, good. All right, on the whistle, come up, fire 2 shots in 3 seconds. Return to low ready. On the whistle. Feel better? Reload, reload. Feel better there? Yes, sir. Okay, line safe. Pick. It's our simulated barricade position. All right, on the whistle, you'll draw, fire 3 shots left side with your left foot, right side with your left foot forward. Change foot position, left side barricade, right foot forward, fire 3 shots. 15 seconds, plenty of time, make them count. Snap them off. Empty weapon. First couple went down there low again. That's why I pushed your elbow to straighten you up. And then you came back and... Okay, bring your weapon to inspection stage. Load one in and reholster. On the whistle, you'll draw, fire 6 rounds, clearing the failure out in 12 seconds. Line ready? Oh, did we already load? We already loaded, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. On the whistle. It looks like we're doing a little better.
Doing
there.
better. Doing better.
Administrative load, magazine in. Magazine in. All right, bring your weapon to inspection stage. Load one in, come up to your low ready. Tactical reload stage. You'll fire 5, reload 5 more, 15 seconds. Locking your elbows out, guys. Line ready. We heard you. We heard you. All right, administrative load. Guys, in the grass. There you go. Administrative load, magazine in. Bring your weapon out to inspection stage, load one in and rehost it.
Trying to get a headshot.
I am.
Okay, on the whistle, you'll draw, fire 6 rounds, 12 seconds. Line ready.
Oh, I fucked that up.
Fucking threw one again.
I fucked that up.
Okay, line safe. Pick up what you need to pick up. Bring your targets in, please.
That's what I get for screwing around.
How the fuck did that come over here? That ain't mine.
It ain't mine.
Mine.
I think you got it.
I was.